In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it actually is to burn off your own cherry angiomas. I've had a few, and for years they've been there. Some on my forehead, on my neck. The one on my neck I cut shaving sometimes, and they bleed a lot. So I was really happy to finally get rid of them, and I couldn't believe how easy it was. A few questions that a lot of people have is, does it hurt? I would say hardly at all. I've had zits that hurt a lot more than burning off these things, so I really wouldn't worry about the pain. You can use pinheads. Pinheads come in different sizes. So if you have a very small one, you want a small pinhead. Some people use paper clips. I usually use pinheads. You just shove it in a pencil eraser. And you can use a lighter to heat it up. You can use a candle, whatever you want. So you're going to heat up the pin till it's red hot. Pull it away from the flame. And as soon as it's cooled down enough that it's not glowing, that's when you touch your skin. Now you don't hold it on your skin. You just tap your skin. You never leave it in the same position. If you leave it in the same position on and hold it down, you're going to get scars. The first one I'll show you is on my forehead. Now I already burned this off 3 months ago, but because I didn't want any kind of scar, I barely touched it. So you can see that I have to touch it up again. There's still a little bit red, but this was a lot bigger and brighter than what you're seeing now. So just a quick tap and you can see it changes color. There's no blood, nothing to worry about, and you hardly feel anything. This one's on my neck and you can hear it pop. Sometimes when you're burning them off, you'll get a pop sound. Other times you don't really hear much of anything. This one on my shoulder, I'm just going to tap it a few times until I feel like I got the whole thing. A lot of these will burn without even the pin touching it if the pin's hot enough. If you're using a small pin, it's going to heat up a lot quicker, but it's also going to cool down a lot quicker, so you don't have as much time. Last question people have is, what kind of scarring can you expect? Well, right after, you'll probably get a tiny scab, then that'll fall off, and then you'll see where the scab was. And here's where I burned one off about 3 months ago. I can barely tell where it was. And it gets lighter and lighter. So probably in 6 months' time, it'll be completely gone. So have fun getting rid of these things. Have an awesome day.